Miss Hawkins and the Bake Sale. Miss Hawkins was teaching her class about science. She wanted to take her class to a science museum, but the school budget was small. There was not enough money to go to the museum. Then Miss Hawkins had an idea. The class could start a fund to raise money for the trip. Miss Hawkins talked to her class. "What could we do to raise money?" asked Miss Hawkins. Hector said, "We could wash people's cars." Janice said, "The students and teachers could have a softball game. We could sell tickets to the game." "Those are good ideas," said Miss Hawkins, "but it is winter, and winter is too cold for a car wash or a softball game. How else could we raise money?" Tina popped up her hand. "We could all bake something to eat. Then we could have a bake sale." "A bake sale?" repeated Miss Hawkins. "What a great idea!" Everyone agreed. The class made a list of things to bake, like cookies and pie. "We will all bake something," said Miss Hawkins. "We will bring it to class tomorrow. Then we will taste the food to test it. If everything tastes good, we can sell our baking next week." Everyone brought the foods they baked to class. The table was full of muffins, cookies, and cupcakes. Celine ate one of Tina's muffins. "This muffin is burned," Celine said. "Maybe my oven was too hot," said Tina. Richard ate one of Lynn's cookies. "This cookie is salty," said Richard. "Maybe I used salt instead of sugar," Lynn said. Janice ate one of Dustin's cupcakes. "This cupcake is soft," said Janice. "Maybe I did not bake the cupcake long enough," Dustin said. All the students were disappointed because the food did not taste good. "No one will want to buy this food," said Hector. He was staring sadly at the cupcakes. Miss Hawkins smiled. "My friend, Miss Wells, is a baker," she said. "Miss Wells can teach us how to bake. Then our food will taste good." Miss Hawkins brought her friend, Miss Wells, to school. Miss Wells showed the students how to mix batter in a bowl, how to fill pans with batter, and how to set a timer for the oven. At the end of the day, the students thanked Miss Wells. "Good luck with your baking," said Miss Wells. All the students worked hard on their baking. The day of the bake sale came. Everyone came to school with their food and put it on a big table. There were muffins, cupcakes, pies, cookies, and cakes. "This looks great," said Miss Hawkins. "I hope it tastes great too," Janice said. Many people came to the bake sale. Students and teachers picked up cookies, cakes, and muffins. They paid Miss Hawkins for the food. Whenever Miss Hawkins received money, she put it in a box. "How much money is in the box?" Richard asked. Miss Hawkins chuckled. "I don't know, but the food is almost gone." Soon there was no more food to sell. Miss Hawkins and her students walked back to their classroom. Miss Hawkins handed out cookies to all her students. "I will count the money in the box," she said. "Then we will see how much money we have in our account." Miss Hawkins counted all the money in the box. Then she said, "You did a wonderful job. This bake sale raised a lot of money." All the students felt very happy. "You raised enough money to go to the Science Museum," said Miss Hawkins. All the students clapped and cheered. Lynn said, "Miss Wells helped us so much. Can she come to the museum too?" "What a good idea," said Miss Hawkins.